Hello, used Volvo user. Today I'll show you how to replace the D2R Xenon headlight bulbs on your first generation Volvo S60. This instruction is suitable for Volvo S60 models from 2005 to 2009, maybe also for Volvo V70 and S80 cars. For me, the problem started with the fact that when I start to drive, the both headlight bulbs worked, but after a while the message in Italian Guasto lampada luce anabbag came on. When I look at car phone I can see that one of the headlight bulbs has become significantly weaker and after a while goes totally dead. Before ordering new replacement bulbs, be sure to check what model bulb you have, as not all Volvo S60s have Xenon bulbs. Be sure to buy several bulbs to have in reserve, and often, changing just one bulb will result in a different color tone and you have to change then both bulbs. Once you've got the correct replacement bulbs, open the hood. Be sure to stop car engine before opening hood. And before you start working on the car's electronics, wait about 15 minutes for everything to discharge. Some recommend disconnecting the minus cable from battery to be 100% safe. I just use gloves, it will give safety and protect the bulb from my oily fingers. There is a rubber cover on each side at the back of the lamp housing. Behind the rubber cover is the headlight system with the whole bulb and bulb holder. The light system is held in place by a metal lock which is hooked. Once the rubber cover is removed, all that's left to do is unhook the metal lock, but be warned, it's very, very difficult to get it in place back. Once the metal lock is removed, all you have to do is remove the Xenon bulb by turning the bulb lock base. You can then disconnect the cable from the bulb holder. Turn this D2R bulb anti-clockwise and remove. Put the new replacement bulb in place and turn clockwise, but important, do not touch the bulb itself with oily fingers. After that, connect back power cable to the bulb holder and just insert the bulb backwards without damaging bulb. To make it easier to get it in place, you can look through the front of the headlight, then just turn it so it pops into place and fixes. Now the tricky part, hooking back the metal lock. This can take a lot of time and finger dexterity. Once it's done, all that remains is to put the rubber cap back in place and check that the lights are now working. What do you think? Does the color temperature match or should the other bulb be changed also? If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. Thank you and long life for your Volvo.